Hey everybody, welcome to Country Girl. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you, and I am doing this in the back of my van just because this is where I had all of my stuff, and I thought, well, the lighting is good, so this is what I'm going to do. As many of you may know, if you've been following me on Instagram, I have been going to the Dollar Tree and posting a lot of pictures of their Halloween stuff. They have just, in my store, just put out so much Halloween stuff. It is just unbelievable. So if you're interested in seeing some of the other stuff, of course, that I did not buy, you can go to my Instagram channel and check that out. But I think all but like 2 items that I got were Halloween or fall. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the 2 items that are not Halloween and fall, so we can go ahead and get that out of the way. This basically, I've been looking for like Clorox wipes or cleaning wipes everywhere and have not been able to find them. I like them because it's just easier for me to clean my bathroom with those type of wipes. I don't really like using sprays and sponges and stuff. I like stuff that I can throw away in the trash. So they have this stuff, it's called All Clear Surface Cleaning Wipes. And you get 30 in a pack. They kind of make you think of the red wipes that I always get, but those are more for like your hands and stuff like this, whereas this is actually surface cleaning. This doesn't say that it's antibacterial. It just says that all clear surface cleaning wipes are a great way to easily remove dirt, dust, and grime from surfaces. So if you want to sanitize, I don't guess this is it. So anyway, those are for cleaning, and I did pick those up, and I got 2 of them. So that is my 2 non-Halloween Dollar Tree items. Okay, so I went into the Dollar Tree, and they do have a few new items. Of course, there's a lot of repeats from last year, but one of the things that I have not seen in their Halloween collection anyway are these containers. Now, I have seen these containers for Christmas, and I always buy these. I absolutely love these containers. They are my favorite. These are the only 2 that I've seen in my Dollar Tree. It just says, if you've got it, hone it. I thought that was really cute. These lids do snap, and they close really well. For Christmas, I do use these to put my ornaments from my Christmas tree in, but you could do so many different things with these. If you wanted to put treats and stuff in them and give them away or just store them, this would be something great to put them in. But I also like to use these for little small craft supplies and things. They're just really a great little bucket to store things, and it's such a good size. I think that's why I like it so much. And they're just really nice. So, you know, these do snap shut, so you don't have to worry if it was to fall or something, your stuff spilling out, because they're pretty much locked on. But it's not airtight. So if you're looking for something like that, that is not this. But anyway, I got one of these, and then I went ahead and bought the other one, and the other one is just orange, and it's got the pumpkins. What is that? I'm sorry, I've got an airplane overhead. But anyway, so these are the ones with the pumpkins, or the jack-o'-lanterns. I thought that was cute, so I did go ahead and buy one of each. Something that's cutesy. I don't think I'm going to give these away because I do like stuff like this. But these are little squishy toys, and they have a ghost, a jack-o'-lantern, and then they have the little black cat. And they're super soft. Feels like that memory foam stuff. And this would be cute if you want to do, if you don't take your kids out trick-or-treating, but you still want them to kind of be able to participate, this would be something cute that you could stick into a little Halloween bucket. They have so many different Halloween buckets and baskets and bags and all kinds of stuff. But you could get one of those, something like this, you know, put some of these little things in it with some candy, maybe some cute little games, and, you know, give that to your kids for Halloween versus them going out and trick-or-treating. Something else that I got, and I do not believe that I bought this last year, but I did buy the one that just says Happy Halloween. This is a little skeleton garland, and I am going to take this out, and the reason being is because I want to see what it looks like once it's expanded. But the one that I bought last year, it says Happy Halloween. I absolutely love it. It is so beautiful. It's that really pretty red orange, like the vintage Halloween orange. And I didn't know it until I took it out, but it actually has that little black cat and some other different Halloween things on it. So anyway, I thought I would get this. I don't think it has anything extra, but I just want to see how it looks, because it looks like it has got, you know, the black as well. And then the other one that they had, because they had one more, I'm trying to think of what it looked like. I did not get it. But basically, it's just the little white and black skeletons. You can't see the black ones very well. Let me put it. But those are really cute. I like the little faces and everything on them. And they actually, I didn't realize that the little feet are different. You know, one of them looks like it's dancing. So anyway, I thought that was really cute. And these are felt. It already has the little loop for you to hang it. And I mean, you can see how big this is. So it's a pretty good size. So I got that. I bought some of these fall leaf wood pieces. Not really sure what I'm going to do with them, but all I got to do is go to YouTube or Google and type it in, you know, wood leaf Dollar Tree, and I'm sure I will come up with a lot of DIY crafts for these. You do get 5 in there, and you know, I love the maple leaf. I think it's just so beautiful. So I got those. And then I also got these little witch hats. I have to go back and look. But somebody did a YouTube video last year with these little witch hats, and I think that they actually made little witch brooms, put it on like a garland and put little witch brooms in between the hats, and it was really cute. And so once I saw that video, I wished I would have went back and bought me some. And so anyway, I did go back and get them this time, and that's probably what I will do with them. And there's only so many places to hang garland, so if I don't get around to it this year, at some point I will just store this in my Halloween craft box, and that way I'll have it, you know, for when I do want to do it or work on it later. And then also something new they put out this year at the Dollar Tree. These are these little witch brooms. You get 3 in a pack. Now these aren't very full. This is black. They have orange and they also have purple. And I'm going to take one of them out so maybe you can see it a little bit better. But like I said, it isn't really full, but I thought this might be cute to, you know, put on a wreath or something. And you can always add more to this to kind of like make it bigger if you wanted to add your own type, I don't know what this would be, straw or hay or whatever you can come up with to make this fuller, but they've already got it started for you, so it would not be hard to do that. But you do get 3 in a pack, and I did pick that one up. If you have any ideas of something that you could tie around the bottom of this, let me know in the comments below, and that way you know, it'll help everybody out. And I also picked up this. Now I don't really need any more votive holders, but I absolutely love this. I think it's really beautiful. I like how they give you this silver pumpkin right here. So even if I did not use the glass piece, I could take this off and always put that on something else. I just thought that was really pretty, and it looks like it's really well made. But they have the purple, and then they had a really pretty lime green, and then the orange. So I did get this one just because I kind of wanted my colors to be a little bit different. I got a lot of orange already, and so I don't have much purple. I thought that would be pretty for that. And I also picked up this pumpkin. I think these ceramic pumpkins are absolutely gorgeous. And I may already have one of these. I'm not sure because I don't have my fall stuff down yet. But anyway, for $1, I went ahead and got it just in case. But I really like how the top of it is like the orange. And then it just kind of fades down into this brown with the speckles on it. And I think that will look really pretty in the 3-tier tray. In my last video, I had hauled some spell books from the Target dollar section. And then I saw these at the Dollar Tree, and I actually like these better. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be using all the books or not. It just depends on how much space I have. But I just really like these. This one, and they have 3 different sizes, and I just got the sizes that I felt like would look good. I don't know if this is the smallest size or medium, but this says Love Potions on the end, and then, you know, it's got it on the front as well. And I like how it's got the roses and everything, and you know, of course it's like a box that you can open up, and then it's supposed to look like pages, I guess, on the other sides. This one looks like the spell book from, or makes you think of the spell book from Hocus Pocus. And it just says Witch's Spell Book. And again, it's got the pages and opens and closes. And then the last one that I got was this one here. It just says Tales of Halloween. And I realized my corner's messed up a little bit, but you know, I can fix that. Well, it's got the owl on it. There was another one that they had that had a spider. I'm not sure if they had it when I bought these, but I did see it at another Dollar Tree that I went to afterwards. But that's okay. I think I got plenty of these spell books. So I did pick that one up as well. And so That's what these look like. So these are definitely bigger than the ones that I picked up at Target. And the last items that I got are signs. Again, I just get way too many signs, but sometimes you just cannot turn these things down. Especially this one. I'm going to show it to you first. I did see other people posting this, and I was totally excited when I saw that my Dollar Tree had it. And that is this beautiful little welcome sign. I like how it looks just the way it is. The colors are just absolutely gorgeous. I like how the edges, you know, look like wood. And it's just so cute with the detail and everything on it. So that is going to be hanging above my buffet and my witch's laboratory. They're probably my favorite signs for Halloween that Dollar Tree has ever put out. And then the last sign that I picked up is this truck sign. And it says Happy Halloween. I wasn't going to get it. And then I thought, well, this will be one of them items. If I don't, I'll regret it. So I picked it up. And there it is. So that is all of the items that I have for my Dollar Tree haul. Now, if you want to stick around, I did get some things from Target. I did not put it in my thumbnail just because, you know, I wanted this to be more focused on my Dollar Tree haul. And the only reason why I'm going to show the Target is because, you know, I just got a few things. I just did not want to do a whole entire video on the Target. So if you are interested in seeing that, you can hang around. And if not, then that's fine too. I thank you for watching my Dollar Tree haul, and I hope you have a great day for all of y'all who want to cut out early. But I'm going to go ahead and get started on what I picked up at the Target dollar spot. So this bottle here, it just says poison, extra lethal, and it's like a gray frost. It has like a rough type feel to it, but that is one of them. The other one that I got, it says bone powder finely ground, and I am probably going to put, you know, some flour, cornstarch, or something like that in here. This one just says, it's kind of like the same color as the first one I showed you. It says spider fangs. Now with these darker ones, you don't have to put anything in them because you're not going to be able to see them anyway. But I got that one. And these do not come with corks. So if I can find some corks that will fit these, I definitely want to put them in. I just think the corks make them look a lot better. Last bottle, this says Feather of the Raven. And Madeline asked me what I was going to put in that. The Dollar Tree usually sells the Black Crows every year, and they tend to put those out later in the season. I don't know why, but I'm hoping that they will get those out. If they don't, I probably got some in my box that I can use. And I'm just going to pluck those feathers off, and I'm just going to drop a few in there so that I'll have those to go with those. And I'm really surprised that I was able to find this. I was not looking for it because I did not expect it. I was able to get the little case that says Wicked Potions that hold the potion bottles. So just to give you an idea what these look like. And here, I'm doing this without being able to see. Okay, so that's what those look like sitting there, and it'll look even better when I get some feathers and some powder in that. But is that cute or what? Oh my gosh, I love this. And I did see somebody had posted, like if you are lucky enough to find the little tiny potion bottles, someone just took a ruler and trimmed it a little bit and was able to wedge it right in here. And those bottles fit perfect. They had like one row on the bottom and they set the other row on top. And I don't think it even covered up this. I think the way that it was, you know, how tall they were, worked out perfect, and so they had a double shelf. But I do think that when they put this shelf out, they put it out with these particular potion bottles in mind. So I was really excited to find that, and this was $5. These bottles were each $1 a piece. They put out some really cute, you know, like pumpkins and squash gourd type items, and these are fabric. They had different ones, but this one is a felt one. And it's just a standard small orange. I really like that burnt orange color. So I got that. And then the bigger items that I picked up was this one here. And I'm not really sure what this is. It's not a pumpkin. And it doesn't really tell you. It actually says pumpkin on here, but it doesn't look like a pumpkin to me. But this almost feels like a suede. And then it's got the twine-like feel string in between. I really like that. It just makes it stand out to me better. I got the bigger pumpkin, and this is a little bit darker. I don't know if you can tell in the camera, but this is a little bit darker than this one here. This is more like a copper color. You can see that. But that does feel like felt also. And the last one is this one here. I really love this. And this doesn't feel like felt, but it is like really fuzzy. So I got that. And I think those colors, you know, I tried to get different colors, and I think they'll look really good together. And then the last one that I got was a little one, and this is kind of like a little sack type pumpkin. It's got a gold stem on it, and I did get that. I like the mustard color as well. Last items that I got, I had not seen these, had not seen anybody post pictures of these at all, but these are string lights, and I'm going to take these out because you can't really see them well here, but these are little cauldrons, and it says you get 8 orange LED lights. So there's 8 cauldrons, and the lights are orange, and they are battery operated. And so I'm sorry because it's so dark back here. I know it's hard to tell or hard to see these, but I wish I had some white paper or something. Maybe you can see them better on this. This little face is a jack-o'-lantern face on this. Not all of them are the same. So I think you get 4 with a jack-o'-lantern face, and then the other 4 cauldrons just have these little holes in them, and those holes are all the way around so the light shines through those. I just thought those were so cute. I could not get them. But I don't know if it's like every other one. I think that is how it's set up. Let me take it apart and see. It is every other one. So this one will have the little cutout places in it, and then the next one will have the little jack-o'-lantern face on it, and so forth. And I also got some little ghosts. And these they are covered in the little gauze, so they look more realistic. Take that out. I don't know what it is about Target, but when I got these were the last ones on the shelf. It seems like every time I go, and when I do buy something, it's the very last one. Now, I don't know if I'm just getting really lucky, or if they put their stuff out that way to make people think that there's a shortage on them, and if you only see one there, you're thinking, oh my gosh, this must be a hot product because everybody's buying it, and so you go ahead and grab it whether you need it or not, because, you know, if everybody else is getting it, it must be good, right? Might be their strategy. I don't know, but it just seems awful odd that when I get things, it usually is like the very last item, and when you go in there and look, it's like it's kind of sparse. They don't put out a whole lot of one item. Okay, so I'm going to have to, instead of sitting here and untangling all of these, I'm just going to hold these up because you kind of get the idea. But this is what these little ghosts look like. I think they are going to need a little bit of work as far as, you know, getting their little tails and stuff straightened out. But I thought those were really cute. And you could make these yourself. You know, these are probably like little ping pong balls. Just take you a Sharpie and make the face, put you some gauze over it and tie it. If you've got, you know, some, you know, leftover lights from something that you want to use. These lights are white, you know, so I hope y'all enjoy watching. I hope you're able to get to your Target and Dollar Tree and find, you know, all these goodies. Happy hunting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.